LunaProxy officially becomes GenLogin global partner. They are running a 10% discount for all proxy services. Click the affiliate link below to buy proxy at the best price. How to use proxy from LunaProxy. Open Get Proxy API tab. Determine your proxy configuration, such as country, protocol, and select the amount of proxy you want. Then click Generate API link and open link. Don't worry about this notification. Just copy the IP and then add into IP allowed list. And now refresh the page and you got the IP proxy you want. Let's move to GenLogin software. Select profile you want to update proxy. And then select Common. Paste the list of proxy you just copied from the website and then click Update. Wait until all profiles are updated. Click the link down below to buy proxy from LunaProxy at the best price. Thanks for watching.